What exactly makes a weapon deadly? Its size, its strength, or the terror it strikes in people? Today, we are going to take you through the list of the 10 most lethal weapons created by cold steel in our countdown. Each weapon on the list gets scarier and more dangerous than the previous one. But when you get to our number 1 weapon, you will be surprised at how dangerous and deadly it is. Number 1. Cold Steel Katana Machete. The Cold Steel Katana Machete CS-97TKMS blends the traditional style of the katana with the robust build of the machete. With an overall length of 36.25 inches and a 24-inch blade that is highly curved, the Cold Steel Machete is made of strong 1055 carbon steel and boasts an anti-rust matte finish. It is equipped with a large full tang and a solid steel tsuba that gives it great strength and balance. Additionally, the 12.25 inches long polypropylene handle makes the grip strong and reliable. With its thickness of 2.8 millimeters, the blade offers great chopping power suitable for brushing, clearing, and other outdoor survival work. A sturdy Corex sheath is included with the machete. Number 2. Cold Steel Special Force Shovel. The Cold Steel Special Forces shovel is an exceptionally tough multi-use implement that is meant for tough outdoors and survival purposes. With a length of 19.68 inches and weight of only 26.6 ounces, it is equipped with a flat steel blade made of 2mm heat-treated medium carbon steel, together with a tough hardwood handle that ensures extreme durability. It effortlessly slices into hard ground and roots using its sharp blade, while the 3 additional blades make chopping and splitting wood and clearing brush a breeze. The shovel can not only dig holes, but be used as a pry bar, hammer, paddle, or campfire grate as well. The shovel comes with a tough Corex nylon sheath, or without one, and due to its front-weighted construction is great for throwing. Number 3. Cold Steel Warhawk. The Cold Steel Warhawk Axe 90PTWH is a tactical fighting axe that incorporates traditional designs and advanced tactical innovations. It measures 19 inches in overall length and weighs 29.5 ounces. It also has a 3.5-inch cutting edge and a bearded axe blade for efficient chopping. Reinforced reverse tanto spike adds to its versatility as an axe for tough outdoor and utility applications. It is made of 1055 carbon steel that has been differentially hardened for maximum durability and strength. It is inspired by hand axes and modern tactical tools that have an excellent grip and balance. The Warhawk can be used for camping and trail clearing as well as for collecting purposes. It comes with a patented Secure X articulated sheath for safer carrying and storing. It is easy to clean and only requires hand washing. Number 4. Cold Steel Gladius Machete. The Gladius Machete by Cold Steel is a blend of the legendary Roman Gladius knife and the robustness of a modern-day outdoor machete. With a total length of around 26 inches, it has a 2.8mm thick blade constructed from sturdy 65Mn carbon steel, which has been finished with a non-rusting black baked-on matte coating. This full tang design extends through its high-impact polypropylene handle to give superb strength and reliability to this machete. The combination of a wasp waist blade and an extra-strength needle point helps to gain excellent control while slicing light foliage and making thrusting cuts. Ranging in weight from 18 ounces to 27.2 ounces, it is convenient to wield. A heavy-duty Corex belt sheath is included along with it. Number 5. Cold Steel AK-47. The Cold Steel AK-47. Folding knife is a top-quality tactical folding knife that is made for ruggedness, precision, and reliability. The knife comes with a sharp 3.5 inches clip-point blade made from high-grade S35VN stainless steel with a highly durable DLC coating that offers superior corrosion and abrasion resistance. The 3.5mm thick blade is hardened by heat treatment in a vacuum followed by sub-zero quenching to ensure maximum toughness and edge retention. The 5.5-inch handle which is made from textured G10 material, allows one to get a better grip, even when wet and cold, while the pommel made of sturdy 6061 aluminum provides extra sturdiness. The triad lock ensures reliable locking and resistance to shocks. The knife weighs only 5.3 ounces with ambidextrous pocket clip, and its overall length is 9 inches, priced at $120. Number 6. Gold Steel Sword Cane. The Gold Steel Sword Cane is a combination of fine workmanship and elegance that will certainly become a great collectible item. Depending on the specific design, the concealed stainless or high-carbon steel blade measuring 12 to 22 plus inches can be found inside a metal or aluminum walking cane. The majority of models have a convenient push-button or screw-off handle mechanism. Handles made of cast metal or zinc alloy come in many beautiful forms, including dragon, eagle, and round gold pommel handles. Durable shafts and non-slip rubber tips give extra security while walking. Popular models include the Kit Ray Axios gold-forged sword cane, the Imperial Dragonhead cane sword, and the majestic Golden Eagle model. Number 7. Cold Steel Kobun. Cold Steel Kobun is a lightweight fixed blade knife that is ideal for camping, hiking, and general utility uses. This knife boasts a razor-sharp 5.5 inches long tanto blade made from high-quality stainless steel known as AUS 8A. The knife is known to have great resistance to corrosion and has good edge retention and piercing capabilities. The knife has an ergonomically designed Creighton TPE handle for a comfortable non-slip grip even when wet. Although it is very tough, the Kobun knife is very light. There is a sturdy Secure X sheath that comes with this knife, which makes it easy to store and carry around. Available in classic black finish, the Kobun is number 8 Cold Steel Khyber. The Cold Steel Khyber is a modern-day representation of the famous frontier knife, made to last and to perform at its best. With its intimidating 20 inches blade of durable AISI 1080 high-carbon steel, which has a thick 10.5mm spine, it is a sturdy knife. With an overall length of 25.25 inches and a weight of 1.76 pounds, it offers good balance and handling despite its solid build. A small fuller on the spine decreases the weight and makes it easier to manipulate, while a razor-sharp curved edge increases the effectiveness of chopping. A weather-resistant handle of white ABS material that is fastened to the blade with bolts offers a comfortable and dependable grip even under difficult circumstances. Number 9. Cold Steel Tai Pan. The Tai Pan fixed blade by Cold Steel is a top-of-the-line fixed blade knife that has been designed using Asian sword models. The knife features a high-quality blade measuring 20 inches long. The blade is made using AISI 1080 high-carbon steel, which makes it highly durable but retains a razor-sharp edge. Overall, the knife measures 25.2 inches and weighs 1.76 pounds, ensuring a great combination of performance and handling. A functional fuller on the spine helps cut down weight and improves handling. The pointed needle tip enhances precision when performing piercing functions. The knife comes with a 5.2-inch white ABS handle, which is water-resistant. The handle is fastened firmly to a full tang. Number 10. Cold Steel 5 Max. The Cold Steel 5 Max is a robust folding knife that is ideal for tough outdoor trips, hunting, and everyday carrying. The blade of this knife is made up of high-quality S35VN steel with a 5-inch drop point and black stone-washed coating, which makes it highly resistant to corrosion and ensures long-lasting sharpness. The blade of the knife is 4.8mm thick, and it gives it incredible strength. The handle of this knife is 7 1/8 inches in length and comes with dark green G10 grips. The grips are designed ergonomically to give a solid hold in all conditions. The 5 Max comes with the highly reliable Triad lock from Cold Steel, and this increases the locking capability of the knife. Thanks for joining us on our list of 10 most deadly weapons by Cold Steel. Was there any that really caught your eye? And how was our top pick? Tell us what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more amazing countdowns and content. Until next time.